Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, updated receiver firmware, and host drivers. Plug the Logi Bolt USB receiver into a stable USB port. Once done, power the peripheral and engage its Bolt pairing mode. Make sure to disable host Bluetooth to avoid conflicts when using the receiver. If the device shows an LED pattern, note it. This confirms pairing readiness. Now open Logitech Options Plus or the Bolt utility on your computer to start the explicit pairing sequence. Follow prompts to detect. You now work through the Bolt utility's pairing flow. Select Add Device, then choose the detected peripheral listed by model. If the software prompts for a PIN, type it exactly or confirm the generated code. This step authenticates the secure link. During pairing, watch for the device LED to indicate success and the utility to show a connected status. Once paired, make sure to bind the device to that specific receiver to enforce a secure channel and reduce interference from other radios nearby. You finish by verifying complete functionality. Test all keys, buttons, and battery reporting in Logitech Options Plus. If something fails, reboot the host and reinsert the receiver. Make sure the USB port supplies consistent power. If problems persist, rerun the Bolt firmware updater or try pairing on another port or computer to isolate host issues. One key troubleshooting tip. If intermittent behavior occurs, repair and lock the device to the receiver. This often resolves collisions and restores stable encrypted connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.